All right, guys, let's introduce you to the one I call the Baby Montana A-frame prefab. This is a park model, an RV, a park model RV. It's got the A-frame on the end. Big old glass window. I think this one's super cool. It's a 10 foot by 20 foot. Got the tin roof and got the rib metal siding on it. It's just like a studio cabin, almost like a camper cabin. Like I said, 10 by 20. Got the little mini split on the one side. I call this one the Baby Montana because it's like a Montana cabin. Got your Bosch mini split on the one side. You got your trailer hitch on that side. Look at that. Super cool. Not had anything like this on my lot before, but hey, let's put it out there and see what happens. It's got a 3-axle trailer on it. And again, let me walk around, and you got pretty cool, got the sunroom, the skylights on top, one on each side, allowing all that natural light to come in. And again, you can see it's got that A-frame with your bed right there. You can kind of see your bed through there. Super cool structure. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. So let me take you inside this one we call the Baby Montana here, and give you a quick looky-loo on the inside. See how it's got that other skylight up there? Okay, you walk on in, and oh, we got a bug in here. Oh, we got a bug already coming in here causing damage. Let me get that bee out of here. But anyways, when you walk in, you see it's real light and airy in here. You got the big glass window on the door. You got your remote control for your Bosch mini split. There's your mini split right there. Got your microwave. You got your under counter refrigerator. Nice size sink right over there. Again, you got your Anderson window, double pane. Here you go. You got your shower. Again, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I got all kinds of space over here for me to be able to stand up and take me a shower because it's pitched up. You got the roof pitch going high on that one side. Then I turn around on this side, and again, you got your cabinet space here. Voila. And then close that up. You got your Anderson windows, and there's your commode. You do have a pocket door here for privacy. Needs a little bit of WD-40. All this has just been built brand new. So let me show you what the privacy door looks like from a distance. There's your A-frame, and that's what the privacy door looks like there. You got your electric panel right there. So this thing is wired and ready to go. And then, of course, you got, let me go ahead and, then, of course, this is kind of neat. Got the little architectural aesthetic there. And I just think this is super cool, right? This is your money shot, right? This is a, what is this, a full-size bed? Yeah, this is a full-size bed. So just imagine, right? You put this out somewhere. Look at that. You got your mini LED lights. You got your skylights up here, and these skylights look like, from what I can see, they look like they got the retractable screens in them. So I'm gonna see that here in a second. But look how cool this is, guys. You can put you a little, table there for your cell phone. And I'm 6'6", and look, I mean, you're just looking straight out to your land. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, I just think this is just awesome. This is just awesome, guys. Just a beautiful cabin. Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is a RVIA certified park model, which means that you can park this legally in any park model, in any RV park that you want. And again, I'm 6'6". I'm standing here in the middle, and my head ain't nowhere near hitting the ceiling. So this is very livable space. Let me see if I was right about these skylights having this screen on it. See how it works here. If I can move this down. Oh yeah. I don't know how it works. I gotta ask him how it works. Looks like it just slides down maybe. Or maybe it's automatic. That probably is automatic. Yeah, it probably is. I think I seen some remote controls for it to where you probably hit the remote control and it automatically comes down on these. So yeah, I think that's what it is. They're automatic to where if you don't want all that sun coming in, you just hit the little remote and they come down automatically. So with that said, super cool, but that does retract to let the blinds come down. And let me, again, imagine you just cooking here, got all kinds of cabinet space there. Okay, you got your LED lights there and there. And look at that. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. Just a comfortable little camping cabin. Got all the creature comforts. And again, the key thing here is you got your own bathroom, right? For me, that's a big deal. You got your little bathroom right in here, right? Because again, you see them build some of these little homes and they don't put the restroom in there with the shower. And to me, that's a deal breaker. That's a deal breaker. You gotta be able to take a shower and handle business. If you can't, then to me, it ain't worth it. You'll be able to cook, have a little refrigerator. Again, it's got everything you need and nothing you don't. So beautiful. Prefabricated A-frame. We call this one the Baby Montana RV park model. And again, we can build this on or off wheels. If you don't want it on wheels, we can build it off wheels. So keep that in mind. You're not stuck to getting it the way you see here. Maybe you want it longer, right? This is a 10 by 20, right? Maybe you want it to be a 10 by 40. We can double it up. So all these things are options as well. Just keep that in mind when you call to order, that these are all options, okay? So let me take you outside one more time and show you what it looks like again from. And another thing worth mentioning is, let's say you want a D-log siding to make it look more like a cabin, or a different color rib metal, or maybe you want a lap siding or a hardy board, we can do that as well. So keep that in mind, guys. You're not limited to get it the way that what you see here, okay? We can mix it up a little bit for you and do it customized the way you want us to do it. So again, it's got everything you need and nothing you don't. This is the one we call the Baby Montana. The price on this is $79,900. Just like you see it, $79,900. This one is on the lot, ready to ship, ready to sell. First deposit gets it. Give us a call. Let's get you a cabin out on your land. Again, 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. That A-frame there at the end really just sets this cabin off, don't it? It's just beautiful. Especially from the inside looking out. It's just a beautiful deal there. To me, I love it. I just think it's like, you can see the bed in there. Just imagine it's raining, it's snowing, and you're just sitting there in bed looking out on the land, enjoying the scenery, taking it all in. So let me walk through it again one more time and show you what it looks like one more time from the inside, just so you guys can die. Oh, you also got one of these. What is this? Let me see. Oh, it's like an electrical outlet. Okay. Again, you go in one more time. Straight ahead, you got your bathroom with your pocket door. To the right, you got your open concept. And remember, we could also design this in a way to where you could do one of those fold out beds. So maybe during the day, it folds into a couch. So you have more space, to kind of more livable space. But the way this is set up now, this is actually built, this is a built-in. And so you actually have some drawers here at the end. And these are the slow close deals. See what I'm saying? They're like the slow close ordeals where you got some drawers there underneath to make it functional space. A second here, my phone's going off. Seattle, Washington. I'll call you back. So again, beautiful cabin, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Next time I film this, I'll be able to show you all how these retractable screens work, so we can close off these. I got to call the Amish and ask them how that works, because I think I seen some remote control. So that's probably what that is for, unless it's manual. I'm not sure. Maybe some of y'all are familiar with it. The brand is called Velux, V-E-L-U-X, Velux. So some sort of retractable screen there. And again, to me, this just sets it off. I mean, look at this. How cool is this, right? I mean, and again, me being 6'6", I can stand straight up and down. Got some flies that got in here. Left the door open. Look at that. Me being 6'6", I can stand straight up and down in this cabin. And like I said, very functional, very livable space. And just so you know, what you're looking at on these white walls here, guys, this is not drywall, okay? This is actually birch. Listen, you hear that? Solid wood. Listen. That is not drywall, so that's not going to crack and break when you're going up and down the highway. That is real wood. It is birch plywood painted white, or we can paint it any color you want. Or remember, you can upgrade and go with like a tongue and groove pine if you want it to be like a cabin, like a rustic deal. So you can do that as well. So this is a full-size bed. It might actually be a queen, but it's definitely, for sure, at least a full. And very livable, very functional space. Got your LVP floors and got your outlets here.